Hey guys, it's Chris with Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta. I've got a very special 1962 Chevrolet Impala Restomod for you guys. This has a ton of upgraded parts. It's been through a nut and bolt frame off restoration. It's got a fresh 350 underneath the hood. It's made it to a 700 R4 transmission, which gives you overdrive. It's got a ton of other upgrades like coilovers on all four corners. You've got big 6-piston bare brakes on all four corners as well. This thing's got a ton of things done to it. We're gonna go over it in this video for you. But let's start up front here. Let's take a look at that nice brand new chrome bumper there. You've got the painted grille with the new headlights. You've got some little red studs here to let you know that this car's got a little attitude to it. The paint on the hood is in really good condition. All your chrome trim appears to be brand new on here. Your glass is in great condition. Your wipers are in good condition and functional. Overall, very, very nice. You can tell they paid attention to detail on this car. Your fender's in excellent condition. Your gap here on the door and fender is nice and even all the way down. You've got a blacked out billet mirror here as well. Wing window looks really clean. All the weather stripping here is new. The roof of the car looks really clean. There's no imperfections. The paint is really nice on this car, especially being black. Black shows everything, so you would definitely see it. Your door's in great condition. I always like to open them up and show you that they're not sagging and the door shuts nice and clean. I love the look of the no pillar here and that big open here when you can roll all the windows down. It just gives it a really clean look. Your rear quarter here is in excellent condition. You can see here you do have a 22-inch wheel out back here. It's the Vision Legend Series wheel. That's a mouthful there trying to say that. Your trim down the side of the car is in excellent condition as well. You also have the Impala logo here on the back. As we work our way around the back side of here, you do have dual exhaust out the back here. They're Camaro tips, but they look really clean. I like that style of tip. It looks really nice tucked up against the bumper there. You've got brand new tail lights that are sequential, that are really nice. You've got the gray accent on the back of the Impala here as well. Your paint on your trunk lid is really nice as well. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk so I can show you how nice that is on the inside of there. Go ahead and take a look at the trunk there. It's got a really nice gloss black paint there that looks really clean. You've got your spare tire as well. But overall, very, very nice, guys. Let's go ahead and shut this and let's work our way back up front and I'll show you what's underneath the hood. All right, guys, check out the engine bay. As you can see, the attention to detail also works its way into the engine bay here. You've got gloss painted tubs. You've got that fresh 350 in there that's been all painted in that Chevy orange. This car's also got a really nice 4-barrel carburetor on it. You've got modern AC. You've got a nice upgraded radiator as well with a pushing fan here in the front for your AC to keep everything nice and cool. But overall, a very clean engine bay that looks really nice, and you could be proud to pop your hood anywhere you go at any car show or cruise in. But guys, let's go ahead and wrap this up and move our way to the interior. All right, guys, check out the interior on this Impala. Everything in here has been replaced with brand new stuff, from the door panels to the steering wheel to the dash. You've got a nice set of upgraded Dakota digital gauges. You've got a killer stereo system in here. It's a JL Audio Bluetooth stereo system. So you get in here, turn your phone on, go to your Bluetooth settings, connect it, boom, you've got stereo. You got ice cold AC in here as well. All the material in here has been replaced, from the double weaved carpet to the bench seat to the headliner up there as well. You've got some nice speakers back here in the back, and you also have some down here in the kicker panel, which really gives you that good sound quality that you like when you're cruising around in your classic car. But overall, a very, very nice interior, guys. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get to the drive video. All right, guys, we're cruising in the Impala, and so far this thing drives like a dream. The suspension is really nice. The steering feels good. The brakes are amazing. You get plenty of power from that 350 to cruise around in style. Overall, I'm very, very impressed. We have the AC blasting in here to keep us nice and cool. And the radio sounds really good too. You'll just have to take my opinion on that because we don't want to get copyrighted on the video. But overall, a fantastic driving car, guys. And it even looks really cool too. So that's just an added bonus. But man, I really like the Dakota digital gauges. It's really cool to look at when you're driving down the road. They're accurate. They're just a really nice upgrade for a classic car, and I really, really dig them. But overall, man, this thing just drives like it's on a cloud. This QA1 suspension is fantastic. The bare brakes definitely help this thing stop. And the 350 underneath the hood with the 700 R4 transmission makes this a pleasure to drive. But overall, a great, great car. But guys, we're gonna work our way back to the shop, put this one back on the lift so I can show you how nice this thing is on the bottom. Hey guys, we got the Impala back here at the dealership and up on the lift, and as you can see, this was a complete frame off nut and bolt restoration. This car has got some really nice suspension and frame upgrades. It's got full Global West suspension with QA1 coilovers that are double adjustable. You've got thicker sway bars. The frame has also been reinforced and boxed, so it's really nice and it keeps everything nice and tight and makes this thing drive really nicely. As you can see on the bottom of this small block Chevy here, it's nice and clean, Chevy orange. You've got that 700 R4, which is a 4-speed transmission. You've got brand new exhaust. Also, you might be asking, what are these little red things right here? So these are actually LED lights. There's a switch inside the car. You can flip it on, so at nighttime when you're showing the car to cruise in, you can show it off and it looks really cool cruising through a parking lot. You can also tell that the bottom of the floors are all painted in a gloss paint, just like the exterior of the car, and it looks really, really nice. This is definitely a show quality build. As we work our way back here, you do have a 9-inch rear end with a 373 gear. You've got the really thick upgraded torque arms here as well, and double adjustable QA1 coilovers, brand new gas tank. Like I said, everything on this car was replaced, nut and bolt. If you guys are interested in this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. And if you need help with financing or shipping, we can also help you with that as well. If you guys are new to the channel or long-time subscribers, we appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that. We put a lot of effort into these videos to make them for you, and we really appreciate the support. But guys, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up, and we'll catch you on the next one.